Morning guys, just a quick catch-up video for me on the pound dollar. Just going through some things that I was chatting with Phil on his blog post last night about the pound dollar and expectations and where trades would possibly trigger from. I'm not going to go through the entire conversation. I'll put a little link on this post to the conversation. There'll only be a couple of threads under this one, but just in case you've not read it, I'll pop a link to it. Basically, all I'm going to do is just going to run through the trades that I've had this morning and what I was thinking when I took those trades. Basically, what happened this morning, I came to the chart this morning, and the last completed 4-hour bar for me was like a doji spinning top type bar. So what I did, I placed my trade levels for the fur quad snatch strategy, the high of the bar for the long and the close of the bar for my short triggers. That's what I did. Obviously this all this action here is all live 4-hour action. So what happened, the trade was already biased to the short side. It already triggered the bias to full bias change pattern. So there's a trade set up for me initially at that level there on a breakout of this short level as a bias change had happened further up. That was the previous swing high, so you can see that price went above that swing high there, so that voided that trade. So I then looked for a new trade. Now a new breakout trade presented itself at that level there, which I entered with the stop at the time was above that level. You can see it fairly quickly went down for first and second target, so I was break even on that part of the trade. Thinking about the support and resistance levels we've been identifying in the analysis, the swing target levels, the first swing target from that entry that I highlighted up there, which was 148.50, would have tied in fairly nicely with the third previous week's low, which we've identified as a support level. So I decided on a swing part of the trade just to close out 2 out of the 3 positions on the first swing target, and then let the last part of the swing trade run to see what happened. Unfortunately, as it happened, the trade has retraced, and it's come back up and stopped out the last part of the intraday trade, and you can see it's come back down and bubbled back up, and it's now just bobbling around. So we've got still got the 3 parts of the swing trade open. Last part of the intraday trade has been stopped out, so we're just waiting to see what happens and what develops with this one. Like I said, it's just a follow-up based on the analysis that I've been doing with the help of Phil, and obviously the help of his analysis on the pound dollar. So that's just a quick video, quick update just on the trades, or the trade singularly, I should say, the trade that triggered for me this morning and how it developed and what stage I'm at now. So as I sit here at the moment, price is at 148.40 level. Daily ATR still plenty left, is about 29% of the day's ATR done. Weekly at this level is looking at about 52%, so there's not much to go really with the weekly. There's still room there, but it's obviously moved a slightly more. So we're just going to see exactly what happens for the rest of the day. I know it's a Friday, so if we get to midday and nothing's happened with the swing trades, I'll just keep an eye on them and manage them throughout the afternoon and see what happens. So apart from that, you'll probably see my post popping up during the day with more questions and ramblings. So I'll speak to you later, and have a good day, everyone.